Hi everybody, Killer Prints here. We are on our way to pick up a really cool printer. A Discord user reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in acquiring their machine. Turns out they don't have the space, so of course I have to oblige. I'm going to take you guys on the journey right now, and we'll get there in just about an hour and a half, and I'll show you guys what we're working with. All right, people, I just got home. Pulled in the driveway, parked the car. Super excited to show you what we ended up with. Check this out. Yeah, we found a Doom Cube. So this one is some sort of pink. I don't know the actual name of the pink frame, but it's from DFH. And then we got some purple and pink accents here. We've got a clipper screen up top. That wonderful embedded magnet bed there. Still running a stealth burner, but there is extra cooling on there. Some sort of, what do you want to say, purge buckets on the side. I also got the bed fan kit and some other accessories and stuff in the front. And for transport, we took all the panels and everything off. But yeah, I picked up this super sweet Doom Cube right here from a fellow user on the server. So shout out to that guy for being so cool and allowing me to get this thing. I can't wait to put this through its paces. All right, I ended up getting everything unloaded from the car. So this is the printer that we just looked at. The Doom Cube that we just got today. Here are the panels all neatly wrapped and everything. I need to get things assembled again and back together. But he also gave me a bunch of spare parts. So I don't know if these are parts that were from, multiple iterations of just going from a stock V2 over to a Doom Cube. But he included all of those parts. I have no idea right now what is what, but there's a ton of stuff here. A bunch of different stealth burner faces that he included in here, panel clips, things like that. There's also buttons, skirts that we could probably repurpose and use for something else. Again, extra things and stuff all throughout. There's a tap, if that is going back on there, I'm not sure. Here are the Nevermore fan kit. So there were 4 fans on there. These are there and they're attached magnetically. So I should be able to just drop these right back in and our printer should work perfectly fine. He also included a bunch of A4T print heads. So these are actually really nicely printed. That saves some time from having to reprint anything at all. There's another one there. There's also a XOL in here, so a Soul kit as well. What else? We've also got extra panel clips. So these are for the Doom Cube panels. If you're unfamiliar, Doom Cube uses a double panel side panel to trap heat. And so these are extras for all of that. There's, belt covers and things, all sorts of stuff. And even gave me some leftover filament. That way I can get exactly the same type. So this is Matter Hackers Magenta. That's the pink looking color. And then Fusion Filaments Geomagnetic Mauve. And there's a little bit left on there to print a couple of things. But I may just pick up another kilo of each of these so that I make sure I have enough to do all the things I want to do. There's also Vitaly's helping us out. He's going to make sure that we get a new all-wheel drive kit for this thing. So I'll add that on there. We're probably going to run A4T and some other cool stuff. So I'm really excited and glad to have this in the shop. I've never had a Doom Cube before, and I got one without having to do the work. Great.